In this video, we're going to show you how to install the headlight on your Jeep Wrangler located on the front side of your grille. Around the headlight, there are going to be 3 T15 Torx bit screws, one here, one up here, one over here. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove those. We're going to use our 1/4-inch ratchet. I'll go ahead and grab that trim bezel. Pull that out, set it aside. Behind the grille on the back side of the headlight assembly, you want to grab the headlight bulb connector. Pull that off, set that connector aside. Around our headlamp is a retaining bezel, and this particular one is held in place by 3 T15 Torx screws, one here, one over here, and one over here. Your particular vehicle might have Phillips head screws there, but we want to go ahead, loosen, and remove all 3 of those. Once we remove these screws, that retaining bezel will come off and the headlight will come out. And when you remove those screws there, you just want to hold inward pressure. Okay, grab the headlight assembly with that bezel. Go ahead and remove that retainer and remove the headlight assembly. We want to take our new headlamp assembly, and positioning this here is important. On the outside of the glass, you're going to have a identification, some numbers and letters up top, as well as across the bottom here. And we want to make sure that on the top are 2 little nubs on the outside of the glass, and then one at 6 o'clock at the bottom. So that headlight will go straight in like this here. You want to install your retainer bezel here. Line this up. Get that retainer lined up so that the tabs line up with the screw holes. And we can go ahead and start to install these screws. What I'm going to do is put a screw on my bit here. Get this lined up again. Go ahead and feed one of these screws in. And get that started by hand. All right, we have all 3 of the screws installed. Make sure that your light is lined up. Let's go ahead and snug those down. Now you don't have to over tighten these here. Once that screw bottoms out, stop. You can do the same for the other 2. Check that trim bezel, check the headlight, make sure it's secured. We're good there. Take your connector, make sure that the 3 slots on the connector line up with the bulb itself. Line it up and push that connector on. Take your trim bezel, line this up. Might take you a couple of tries to get that lined up properly. There we go. Install the screws. Once these are all in, we'll tighten them down. Once that screw bottom's out, you're all set, and go ahead and move on to the other two. Once you have these 3 screws installed, go ahead and repeat the same process for the driver's side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.